Today, I am going to show you exactly how to fix the Grok Connection Failed Error on this video on PMN Online. Have you ever been in the middle of using Grok when suddenly a frustrating message pops up saying, "Connection failed. Check network connection and try again"? If you've encountered this issue, you're not alone. This error can be a real headache, but don't worry. In this guide, we'll walk through a detailed process to help you resolve this problem and get back to using Grok smoothly. We'll start by looking at the broader picture and gradually zoom into more specific solutions related to your device and browser. First things first, before you dive into troubleshooting on your end, it's crucial to check if Grok itself is having any widespread service issues. Grok is available across various platforms, including the web app, Grok Connect, and mobile apps. Each platform is independent in terms of service status, which means that one might be experiencing issues while the others are running perfectly. If the problem is with Grok's servers, no amount of local troubleshooting will fix it. That's why it's important to confirm the service status right from the start. To do this, head over to the official status page at status.x.ai. Once there, look for indicators related to Grok Web, Grok Connect, iOS, or Android. A green status generally indicates that everything is functioning normally. However, if you see a yellow or red status, it means there are known issues. In such cases, the best course of action is to wait and keep an eye on the updates provided on the status page. If everything on the Grok status page is green and indicates no issues, the next step is to address potential problems on the browser side. Start by performing a hard refresh on the page where the error message appears. For Windows users, this can be done by pressing Ctrl and F5 together. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Shift, Enter simultaneously. This action forces your browser to ignore cached data, which might be old or corrupted, and pull fresh files directly from the server. It's more thorough than a standard refresh and can often resolve connection issues caused by stale data. If a hard refresh does not resolve the issue, the next step is to open Grok in a private or incognito window. This feature allows the browser to operate without the usual extensions and utilizes a temporary, clean cache. If Grok functions correctly in this mode, it's a strong indication that a browser extension or a corrupted cache might be interfering. In your regular browser window, try disabling unnecessary extensions, especially content blockers or privacy-enhancing tools. After doing so, reload Grok. Additionally, clearing site data specifically for Grok might help, but remember, this will likely require you to sign in again afterward. Now, let's consider your internet connection. Ensure that other websites are loading properly. If they are slow or not loading at all, the issue may be with your network. Try basic troubleshooting steps such as turning off your Wi-Fi and turning it back on, switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or another network, or even restarting your router briefly. If you're using a VPN or a strict firewall, consider disabling it temporarily to see if Grok connects successfully. Even a brief disruption in your connection can trigger the error, so having a stable internet connection is essential. If you've gone through all these checks and the error persists, it might be a temporary service issue on Grok's end. In such cases, waiting a little while and checking back on the status page could be the best approach. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to fix the Grok Connection Failed Error. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this.